sometimes there is a situation where we need to create a small statement or a table and perform calculations. At the same time, we do not want to use Excel. So we're going to look at a feature in Word tables where we can perform calculations like we do in Excel, and along with that we'll also have a look at some interesting keyboard shortcuts. So in this example we have a table here. There are three products: 16 GB pen drive, 32 GB pen drive and DVD, and the figures for the first quarter. And then we have a total row. We have a section for grand total, target and achieved in percentage. So now let's begin by looking at how we can total a column in word tables. So we just click right below the column, and then under table tools we click on layout, and then can you see this option here, formula? We click on formula. Now by default it shows equal to sum above. If there are any blank cells in between, it would total only till that point. For now let's click on OK. This I'm sure many of you are aware of. Now let's see one interesting keyboard shortcut. What if you want to total the remaining two columns? We need not repeat these steps. We just click on the next cell and press the function key F4, and then there you are, you get the total again. Click on the next cell after that again and press F4 again. So what F4 does is it repeats your last keyboard action, and while doing this you need to click with the mouse in the next column and not press the tab on the keyboard. So this was a very useful keyboard shortcut which came in handy while finding out the total of these columns. Okay, now let's find out the grand total. So we just click below the heading grand total, and again we click on formula here. Now it shows equal to sum left automatically. Now just click on OK, and there you are, you got the grand total. Okay, fine. Now let's say we need to find out what is the percentage achieved. The target was 700 and what we achieved is 445. So let's find out the percentage. So we click here, go back to formula. Yeah, now what we can see is we can actually enter a formula like we do it in Excel. So we remove this sum function here and just keep the equal to. Now we can assume this word table like an Excel worksheet where you got the columns A, B, C, D and E and the row numbers, and every cell having its individual cell address. So let's say now we need to divide 700 by 445. So what will be the cell address of 445? It will be A, B, C, D, E. E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E6. So it will be E6 divided by E8 into 100. So we can actually enter a formula like we do it in Excel. Now we click on OK, and there you are, you got the result. Now in case we make any changes to the numbers in the table, let's say we make this 20, we make this 10, we make this 70. Now unlike Excel, here the result or the result of the formula does not change automatically. We need to update it. So what we can do is just click on the table selection button and then press the function key F9. F9 updates all these calculated fields which you can see in grey color here. So let's press F9. So there you are. The moment you press F9, all the formula results are updated automatically. So that's another very interesting keyboard shortcut which you may want to use. So this is how we perform calculations in word tables. We can also perform other functions like we did in Excel. You have this function feature here which lists all the functions that are used in Excel. So you just need to keep exploring. Thank you.